Hello everyone and welcome to MTS Technik. My name is Kacper and this is our coilover suspension kit designed for Opel Astra G in coupe, liftback and sedan body variants. It is available in two styles, street and comfort. They differ in spring stiffness. For the front we've got threaded shock absorbers finished in gold zinc plating featuring hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, significantly enhance the ease of height adjustment. The springs are made by a German company eibach. On the front we've got ERS type springs with linear characteristics, and their internal diameter of 60 mm allows for easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. Additionally, the front axle kit also includes helper springs that provide preload for the mainsprings and black anodized aluminum spring caps. On the rear we've got two sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, tailored for lowered suspension. They have increased damping force compared to the original shock absorbers. Rear springs are also made by eibach. These are progressive springs, ensuring maximum comfort and excellent driving characteristics. Moreover, our kit also includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers for the front axle, black anodized aluminum height adjusters for the rear, and besides that, you will also get an adjustment range, two MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation, such as installation manual or TUV certificate. Thanks for watching.